When an automation fails, you need answers fast. In this guide, we'll show you how to use advanced search to isolate your event logs and get to the root of any issue. Event logs are a real-time record of your workflows. They help you verify successful runs and instantly pinpoint where an error occurred when an automation fails. To get started, click on Event Logs in the sidebar to view your automation history. Next, click the Columns button to customize which event log fields you'd like to display. To remove a column, simply click the X button next to it in the Active Columns list. Once you're done, click Apply Changes to save your customized view. And don't worry, if you ever need that column back, you can add it again at any time. Now, let's narrow things down. Click the Filters button to refine your event logs by specific criteria. Start with the Connector dropdown to filter event logs by connector type. You can also select multiple workflows at once and view them all together. Next, click the drop-down arrow to expand the status filter and refine your results further. For instance, selecting failed as your status instantly isolates all failed logs, making it effortless to jump straight into debugging your automation issues. From here, click Select Date Range to view logs from a specific day or time frame. This helps you pinpoint exactly when an issue occurred and trace the root cause of any failure. Once your filters are set, click Apply to confirm and run them. And just like that, your event logs are perfectly narrowed down, showing you exactly the logs you need. Clicking on a specific event log opens the detailed execution view, giving you complete insight into how the workflow ran node by node. Each step in the workflow appears as a node with its own execution status, so you can see exactly where the workflow succeeded or failed. Next, take a look at the Failed Nodes section in the Output panel. This is where you'll find specific error details and response messages, showing you precisely why that part of the automation failed. Click the Input tab to review the request data that was sent to the service. Then select the Output tab to view the results of that step. Here, you can dive into the detailed error messages. And that's how you customize and filter event logs in Konnectify. To learn more about our features and benefits, visit our website and explore what our AI agent workforce can do for you.